My name is Simon Buckland, and I'm from Stunner Technologies. We come from the UK. We've invented this stunner, called Crusty Stunner, basically to make sure that creatures such as shellfish, like lobsters and crabs and langoustines, can die humanely. And in the process, because it does away with the stress hormones, it improves the quality of the meat, both in taste and in texture. It also, we found that it kills off the bacteria which cause food poisoning and the like. The way this works is it delivers a stun of about 1 amp. That's all you need to knock out unconscious the shellfish, whether it's a lobster or crab. We deliver this stun in less than half a second, 0.3 of a second. And by sustaining the stun for about 5 seconds, the animal dies without any stress. So the animal is taken out of the water from the tank, straight onto another tank which is got full of brine. You close the lid, you press the button, and the cycle of 5 seconds delivered, in this case, about 4 or 5 amps, and the animal's dead.
Wow. And now, when the lobster dies, does the meat pull away from the shell?
We don't know. We haven't done that investigation. We don't know yet.
Well, thank you very much for your time.